Heavy brass is cupped and then progressively drawn to precise dimensions. The cases are annealed, washed, and polished. After being headed and head stamped with caliber, an extractor groove is cut into each round. For rifle ammunition, most rounds must be necked down to an exact dimension. To ensure cartridge strength and guard against cracking, the process is gradual, and each round is annealed again. A final wash and lube, and the cartridge is ready for loading. But first, we have to make the bullet. Starting with miles of lead wire, bullet cores are cut to size. Meanwhile, bullet jackets are being drawn to precise shape. Even jackets are washed and polished. Next, lead core and jacket come together to make the final bullet. In this case, 9mm Hydra shot. With bullet, case, and primer, the loading operation turns out millions of exact, precise, dependable rounds every single day. After all the hundreds of individual component checks, every single Federal round is visually inspected, even for little blemishes.